Happy morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn the lesson That Sunday Morning. It was written by Savita Singh. Savita Singh is the narrator of this lesson. She is describing when she was a child, she had a bike race with her brother, and she is describing how they were riding the bicycle. What are the incidents they were met while they were riding? Okay, let us see the lesson. Before we going to see the lesson, we learn the glossary. We see the first word, exploring. Exploring means traveling for discovery, traveling for found something. Okay. Next one, imposing. Imposing means grand or impressive. In this lesson, they are using the word imposing buildings. Imposing building means grand buildings. It's the biggest building. Okay. Invariably. Invariably means always. Then crowd. Crowd means boasted. Crowd means boasted. Then pillowed out. Pillowed out means to flare out in the wind. Then threatening. Threatening means warning. Blur means unclear, it's not clear. Okay, blur means not clear. Okay, not clear, unclear. Okay. Let us see the lesson now. The narrator name is Savita Singh. Already we saw Savita was living in Delhi with her family, and his father was posted in Patna. So their family decided to move to Patna. Now they were coming from Delhi to Patna. On the first Sunday morning, Savita and her brother were decided to have a bike race. So they took the bike and they ready to go for a ride. In Delhi, there are lot of monuments we can see, but in Patna, they couldn't see the monuments and imposing buildings. So they were tried to have a bike race through the forest. That time they are getting very bored, and they decided to have a bike race with each other. The loser has to give a chocolate treat to those who win. So most of the time Savita's brother got the win. So now she was determined to win. So she was pedaling very fast, and she overtook her brother this time. So after winning, she was very happy, and she shouted in a glee. Glee means very happy. She was shouted in a happy. So she not stopped her bike. She was pedaling very fast. While she was going very fast on the road, there was a cow across the road. So she couldn't stop the bicycle. Since she she applied the brake. So she couldn't control herself, and she flew over the bicycle, and she landed on the back of the cow. You see this picture like this. The girl is clinging on the back of the cow. The cow was startled. Startled means the cow got fear. So the cow started to running very fast in fear. But the girl did not hold her hand. She was tightly hold the cow's back. When she was clinging on the back of the cow, she saw a 2 row of cavalry officers mounted on their horses coming towards them. She saw two rows of cavalry officers mounted on the horse, sitting on the horse, coming towards them. She saw it. Then she found it, those horses were belonged to the governor's bodyguard. Then she got now the cow got frightened and straight at the horse and charged straight at the horses. The horses panicked and scattered. Here the word panicked means feared and scattered means it started to running here and there. The horses in a fear they were started to running here and there. But even though the girl did not hold her hand, she tight holding the holding the cow's back tightly. Then the startled cow fell into the ditch and also the cow dislodged her into the ditch, but she did not fell on the ditch. She was lying on the soft grass near the ditch. Now she was sitting with a crone and she saw that cavalry officers were still out of control. They couldn't control their horses because the horse became very startled. Now two horses were nowhere to be seen. The riders in front of her eyes, they were very angry and they were look at the girl angry. Now the cow is shouting loudly. Now a poor man was also landed near the cow. The cow felt it is another attack. So the poor fellow he was trying to move from the ditch. That time his pants were tearing, so it at rather than awkward place. He realized this. He sat down on the road with a thump and he would not get up. At that time, Savita's brother approached her and he understood that she got hurt and inquired her health. Then the owner of the cow also came towards them, and the Savita and her brother moved quickly from this place because otherwise they would be called in for a lot of explanations. So they decided to move the place. Then onwards they decided not to go anywhere and they enjoy the moment. Then hereafter, this is the details of the lesson, third Sunday morning. Let us see the glossary now. Abruptly means suddenly. Abruptly means suddenly. Momentum is the force of a moving body. When she was sitting on a bicycle, she applied the brake, sudden brake, then she flew away and she was clung on the back of the cow. No, momentum means the force of a moving body. Unfortunate. Fortunate means lucky, unfortunate means unlucky. Startled means frightened. Resplendent means brilliant in appearance. Resplendent cavalry officers. Resplendent means brilliant in appearance. Groan means to an utterance expressing pain. When we have a pain, we are making a sound note, that is called a groan. Bellowed means it's the cry of a cow. When the cow making a cry, it is called bellowed. Scrambled means to move or climb hurriedly. Scrambled means move or climb hurriedly. When the horse rider was falling into the ditch, he tried to move or climb hurriedly that place. So scrambled means to move or climb hurriedly. Awkward means sensitive. Okay, these are the notes of the lesson. Haughtily means arrogantly. Scowl means threatening look. the owner of the cow was scowling at the girl. Retreat means to move away. Unpleasant means disagreeable. Okay, this is the lesson that Sunday morning. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, students. We will meet in another class. Thank you.